In the realm of the digital money market, new advancements are appearing at contend in an as of now oversaturated market. Explorer token digital currency is one of such passages. However, with a ton of contrasts, Explorer token has gained notoriety for turning into a public corporation. This increase in standing coming about because of being authorized now, and the positive news has pushed Explorer's position to number 91. Leaving its imprint is continuously trying for a digital money representative. Yet Explorer token VGX has plainly defeated those deterrents. Explorer token cost today is exchanging over its normal cost. However, what will be its future? What is Explorer? Explorer is a crypto business administration offering a free from any potential harm crypto resources exchanging stage to financial backers and merchants. The help began in October 2018, and presently the stage upholds north of 50 crypto resources. It likewise utilizes an interesting, brilliant request steering innovation interfacing with other crypto trades. The main organization, Crypto Exchanging Advancements, is the gathering that made the Explorer with Stephen Alick as the organizer behind the organization. The thought was to offer totally without commission exchanges for both trading. Prior to executing the request, brokers should follow through on just the cited VGX cost, which is as of now shown to the client. The organization has additionally gotten interest from Lightspeed Monetary, and the group is knowledgeable about versatile applications and exchanging. In this way, all of the fintech foundations from the individuals help in the further improvement of the stage. What is Explorer Coin? The local coin for the financier is the Explorer token VGX. It compensates the clients inside the Explorer environment and creates interest. The stage has made an application for Android and iOS that permits a consistent exchanging experience, yielding revenue for the VGX token, offering cashback, rewards, and different administrations to clients for staying with the Explorer token VGX stage and administration. What is VGX coin involved for? The dealers are compensated by local utility symbolic overall around the environment with remunerations helps, crypto back on exchanges, marking prizes, and that's just the beginning. In 2021, Explorer token made VGX 2.0 that provides the capacity to compensate clients with better motivators and rewards. The VGX coin additionally controls the Explorer dedication program, which gives motivating forces, prizes, and seriously relying upon the quantity of VGX coins held. This program can be utilized to build the development of the client's portfolio. For example, the following are a couple of ways VGX utilizes the Explorer dedication program. Rewards by VGX marking. The VGX token holders naturally procure 7% yearly marking rewards. Given they have a base equilibrium, the prizes are paid out month to month coupled with the Explorer Procure program. Rewards acquiring lifts. VGX gives the client to develop numerous pieces of the portfolio on the double. By holding a VGX token, the client naturally gets supported compensations for their BTC, ETH, and USDC. VGX specialized examination. The gathering dispersion marker affirms high market support as demonstrated by the diagram climbing. It ought to, in any case, be noticed that the VGX cost couldn't proceed with its vertical pattern, implying that some market members utilized the offer Explorer token request to move it. It very well may be really smart to purchase Explorer token orders close to the obstruction level for brokers utilizing pattern following techniques. This would guarantee that the right passage point is laid out from the get-go in the exchange without stressing over the Explorer token value bouncing back to the 50-day moving normal and putting in the purchase request there. Since December 2021, the cost is declining. There was a slight recuperation saw in December end 2021, yet again it fell. The Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability detonated in November 2021 as the high market support pushed the cost of Explorer token upwards in a brief time frame. This made the RSI pointer create an overbought signal. The unpredictability is still high, yet brokers could profit by this by putting in the requests at the right passage point and guaranteeing that the opposition levels are crossed prior to leaving their positions. The ongoing RSI is put at 41.75. As said previously, the VGX is a rebrand of the current coin. Because of that, there might be some disarray on the outlined set of experiences. The above outline is the historical backdrop of the VGX coin. Specialists accept VGX holds real worth, and the ongoing circumstances are great to start purchase orders since it is near the highs of August 2021. As it very well may be seen, the beginning of the year expanded the cost of the Explorer token altogether. Specialists don't completely accept that the VGX experienced an impermanent cost increment toward the start of the year, and the ongoing cost is way underneath the normal worth of the VGX coin. It is normal that the normal worth of VGX will proceed to rise, and, in a couple of months, the most exorbitant cost will be reached, making the fate of VGX coin perfect. Explorer token value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The VGX crypto cost gauge depends on past costs. and prescient information displaying calculations. No Explorer token figure can be 100% valid because of unpredictability in the crypto market. Speculation counsel and anticipated future cost are dependably provisional. It is difficult to impeccably anticipate Explorer token's cost projection for the impending a very long time with the typical cost showed alongside valuations and natural qualities. However, Explorer cost forecasts act as an instrument, which can assist with further developing the dynamic cycle. Notwithstanding, it is in every case great to stick to appropriate gamble the board. This isn't monetary exhortation, and any beneficial speculation framework straightforwardly relies upon different elements like gamble openness or cost changes. Dealers and financial backers ought to do their own exploration prior to utilizing any kind of conjecture framework. In the wake of breaking down authentic information, the Explorer token cost gauge for a considerable length of time are as per the following. Explorer token value expectation 2022. According to the Explorer token cryptographic money figure, the cost of Explorer token VGX is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $2.06. The cost of Explorer token can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.40. The typical cost all through the year will be around $2.19. In light of our VGX token cost forecast, Explorer token value expectation 2023. The Explorer VGX cost figure is to arrive at any rate expected cost of $2.23, with a greatest cost of $2.69 in the year 2023. The typical exchange cost all through the year is supposed to be close to $2.43 cost level in light of our VGX cost expectation. Explorer token value forecast 2024. According to the information cost expectations models, the base Explorer token VGX cost estimate level will be $2.06, as indicated by VGX cost expectation. The most extreme cost will be $3.18, with a typical exchange cost of around $2.63 all through 2024. Explorer token value forecast 2025. As per the specialized examination for the year 2025, the base Explorer VGX cost expectation 2025 will be $2.90, and the greatest value level will be $3.69. In light of our VGX cost expectation, the typical exchange cost will be $3.24. Explorer token value expectation 2026. The Explorer cost expectations show that the base cost of Explorer VGX conjecture is supposed to be $2.72. The VGX cost visualization recommends that the greatest cost will be $3.30, keeping a typical cost of $3.02 in the year 2026. What number of VGX tokens are there available for use? The present cost of the coin is $1.68. The coursing supply of VGX tokens remains at north of 278,482,214 VGX, with a market cap of more than $468,289,734.42. The most recent 24-hour exchanging volume is more than $10,764,674.47. Like local